Pentecostal Network Pennet Program clear to te lalpai swaming in chibai ule tungkar chunga North East India UPC-Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar clear in lawngai thlang u June ni sompukwa atangani somni paruk chung khan General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasailo General Missions Director Reverend R Lalhoya General Missions Treasurer Evangelist PC Lalroki Matebaka General PYD Shwai 2 General PYD President Pastor H. Laropuyele, General PYD Treasurer, Reverend C. Lalmal Somatetuan North Bengal Sikkim Missions Field in rawngbawlna anneya Juni somni pariat zirtomni khan field chwa sanin aizol anpan North Bengal Sikkim Missions Field an rawngbawlna chung hian biak in pahni Kumar Para le Tulsi Para biak in te hongin Kumar Para biak in hi General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasailo chuan hongin Tulsi Para biak in hi Lunglei District Missions Director Reverend R Vanal Engana hong ani Field chunga hmun sang tlo kwalin rawngbawlna anneya an rawngbawlna hmun sanga Pentecostal kaushana loi turin mithar somnga pahni kaushana an senglut mithar senglu na hmunte Kumar Para member panga Bhutan Thimphu member pakhat Darjeeling Alubaria member paruk Ranju Valley member somli General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasailo hian Juni somni pakwa atanga July ni chung khan Central District hunman chunjom ngalin District Board thutpuin seminar anei pui ngal don ani Barak District pan le in July ni thuma tanga nili chung Barak District Board atel puile anga Rahmandan chuan July ninga zirtopnia aizol aletang General Sunday School Shwai 2 Pathum General Director Reverend R Laithingpuya Secretary Reverend R Vanal Oyele Treasurer Evangelist F Lelsanglia te chuan Juni somni pakwa atanga ni somthum chunga Manipur District Pathum Joint Sunday School Mita Telpuin rawngbawlna annei General Sunday School Shwai 2 te hian July ni khat atanga ninga chung Dimapur Missions Field lo in seminar annei ngaldona hetiangin hun an mangang General Sunday School Director Reverend R Laithingpuya Dimapur le khatia General Sunday School Secretary Reverend R Vanal Oya Diphu le Silonijan General Sunday School Treasurer Evangelist F Lelsanglia athibung le chumuke dima General Secretary Reverend R Larin Sangale General Treasurer Reverend Zongming Thanza mete chuan tun Kar Khan Office thu in tun pathiani po hi jin chuak lovin an loina tual chung kaushana hun an mangdon ani District sang rawngbawlna chanchin ngai thak chunjomila Juni somni Pathum pathiani khan Lunglei District PCD Shwai 2 te chuan Mualcheng South Local PCD campaign annei Jing in khoma rawngbawlna 2K Larin tuanga District PCD President chuan no pangte Christian hena Shwai 2 randu le pamo phurna thu soin local PCD te hena tringin recitation solo le zaipol ngai thakani a chonhulama fellowship lim taka manni in PCD atangin solo recitation ngai dom tak te ngai thak ani a Jacob Ram eng moya District PCD Treasurer hena tangin no pangta na fuina thu thatak ngai thak ni in District PCD Secretary Unau pa si laram lo apuyan hena tangin moral education tungchang projector manga zirtir na ngai thak ani bok Zanlama District PCD Assistant Secretary Unau pa R Ladin Moyan Thucha asoya no pangte enkol konga le pate poimo na ngai thak ani hunman chung hian bi Vanal Ropeki luangma local chuan zain rawngbawlna anei thin ani Juni somni Pathum pathiani khan Lunglei District Tlabung Lokala Baptisma Khur hon ani a mi pasari in suangai dabna baptisma changin anjinga pakhat hi mithar ani Troy Pui Not 2 Lokala po bel to Pastor Reverend H Rauthwa ma chuan mithar pakhat kaushana asenglut Tin Mausen Lokala po Juni somni Pathum pathiani khan bel to Pastor Reverend R Lelsang zwala chuan mipali kaushana asenglut bok Lunglei District Theiriat BLPYD Malak na in BLPYD Shwai to the Chuan Group 2 ma in Chenin Bial Chung local Shangshanga Thiang Limna awareness campaign and name maker June ni som thum pathian ni hian BLPYD secretary Unau nu Esther Lanun Shilile Vice President Unau Pa Silal Chansanga te Chuan Lungpui Zol lokala Thiang Limna awareness campaign hi an nei le ang Howlong Bial Sunday School Department le Bial Shwai tu de chu Group Shangshanga in Siamin June Thachung hian Bial Chung local Shangshanga Sunday School campaign an neyang Thingsai Bial Conference Rorel na in Bial Chung local Shangshanga Department OB le Rongbol tu te Pauline Leadership Seminar nei ni se tia an laurel chu azo na ni turin June ni somni pathum pathiani khan na thial tar phau lokala nei ani a resource person atam Bial to Pastor H Lalom sanga an roi June ni somni pathum pathiani khan sertlang pui Bial Missions Department try to the chuan cheng pui felt an tlo Lunglei District sertlang pui Bial Missions Conference in Bial Chunga tanga Home Missions filta Home Missionary akal chuak anom chuan anom na huna Bial Shwai tu ten tlo ni se tia an rel bo zuin June ni somni pathum pathiani khan sertlang pui Bial Missions Shwai tu de chuan Sertlang pui Bial Chunga tanga Home Missionary akal chuak Evangelist Simon Amar omna cheng pui felta rongbawlna an neya lim takin hun an mang Bial Shwai tu de hian kumsang ni somnia Evangelist PC Larem Rota omna putlunga si missions felt an tlo le ang June ni somni pathum pathiani khan ra siveng Bial PYD de chuan leadership le kaushan dan thiang lima in nei chungchang ti thupuya mangin seminar ra siveng UPC biak ina an bua saya resource person atan district PYD president Evangelist Vilal du omale district PYD secretary Evangelist Laldin puya sailo te an mang ani June ni somni paruk ni lai ni khan Pentecostal men department PMD venglun local te chuan an local kum somni pangana Silver Jubilee lom na hun an mang Jubilee lom na inkom nei ma in biak in pona Bial to Pastor Reverend Sila Shatpuya chuan lungphun hongin Jubilee inkom nei chunzom ani Jubilee inkom hi PMD president Unau party lan mangaya chuan ka shwaya upa PC lal ruma senior advisor chuan hun ser mangin PMD secretary Unau pala lom oman hena tungin report ngai thakani a Reverend P lal thanga chuan souvenir tlang zarin PMD member borel te sunna nei ani ba ka thu soile zai thiam tak tak zai ngai thakani a Bial to Pastor Reverend C lal Shatpuya chuan nangmal somna ni angche Genesis bung som pani chang ni ti thu pui mangin thu cha wan chwana aneya tlailama Jubilee lom na roi kil hau ani Juni somni pathum pathiani khan Barak district headquarters Bial Chikhur lokala mi pakwa Pentecostal Shanaloi turin senglu anni mithar de hiam Bial to Pastor Elka Makuta swanga idamna baptisma anchanga naute pathum hlan ani bok Manipur chunga district pathum Churachampur Imphal le Chandel district te chuan June ni somni pakwa atanga ni som thum chung hian Chandel district headquarters rungchanga joint Sunday school meet an mangmek Meet hi June ni somni pakwa in Rinia Tanin Chandel District Sunday School Director Reverend SR Konar Singh chuan he inkhom hi akashwaya General Sunday School Director Reverend R Lai Singh puya chuan pathian hena hlanin ahong Chandel District Sunday School Department ten honna hlaramin Churachampur le Imphal District Sunday School ten group zai an neibok General Sunday School Treasurer Evangelist F. Lalsanglianan Tutoi Soyin, Imphal District Superintendent Reverend S. Thangtin Lian Chuan Malsom Chongtrain He in Khom Hi Achin Ani. Juni Som Thum Pathiani Hian Chomhalama Imphal District Director Pastor T.H. Minlen Chuan in Khom Kai Shwain, item Shang Manga Pathian Fagna Hun Mangin, District in Io Ten Hun and Mangdona, General Sunday School Secretary Reverend R. Vanal Oyan Tutoi Asoyang Chondulama Imphal District Sunday School Secretary Upati Gaumin Lunchuan in Khom Kai Shwain Solo le recitation Mangin District Pathum Io Mi Pangaten in Elna Anne Chunzom Dona Pathiani Zanlama Churachampur District Sunday School Director Evangelist Thanglian Mang Chuan in Khom Kai Shwain General Sunday School Director Reverend R. Lighting Puyan Thucha Soin in Elna Shangshanga Lomandong to 10 items and present don ani Kumin sang ni sompukwa District Sunday School in Khom Pui Ro Relin allow pass to angin Aizol East District Chunga Aizol Khopui Chung Bial Tetan City Sunday School meet nei ani don Hemin man na turatan hian June ni somni pakhat zirtom ni khan district committee room a Reverend C. Moy Zwala District Sunday School Director ka Shwain Aizol khopui chunga bial Sunday School shwai tu tene meeting ne ani a meeting chuan City Sunday School meet hi kumin November ni som ni pali pathian ni hnung bara nei tura relin bazar biala nga ni se anti hemiatan hian budget cheng sing thum siam ngalin Aizol khopui chung bial changshanga sem ngal ani City Sunday School meet hi pathian ni chumale chnuang man turati ni in bia shangshanga tangin item pani theu nei turati anni baka junior changa doctrinal department chu kim takakal turati anni bok tundin muna Aizol East district chung Aizol khopui chunga hian pastor bial pasari au mekani Juni somni pathum pathian ni mangkhan Aizol East district thiang himna committee shwai tu te chuan zomun biala thiang himna campaign annei Hehuna hian Reverend Silal Engliana chairman le upa kelan hun sanga secretary baka unaw nulal ke pui soli sten hun an mang ani Juni somni pani inrin zan khan tring hun kaushana rawngbawlna hinein pathiani chuma zo hun kaushana campaign an nei le a chonua pathian pa kon kaushana nei le in pathiani zan khan zo hun kaushana bok thiang limna campaign hi an nei le ani heng an hun manna hian unaw nulal ke pui hian zai rawngbawlna anei thin ani Aizol East District Thiang Hlimna Committee te hian hun shangshanga campaign an lo nei to thina tuna hian a hlotlin na po mu chho mek zel ni in kumin April thla khan Evangelist H Christian chuan champhai biala Thiang Hlimna campaign hi alo nei to a Evangelist Laram Tharan Kholian biala campaign hi alo nei to bok ani heng huna Thiang Hlimna campaign an nei na a hian hlotlin na muzelin kaushan mi puite po in district in ma alak mek na a hian campaigner te po an troi om thle ani Juni som pakwani laizan khan Aizol East District Trumpui Bial Trumpui Veng Thar Preaching Point to Reverend Rosanga Colony District Superintendent John Kaushan Puitlinga Ahlangkaya Juni ni pathiani a bel to Pastor Reverend KV Mangai Kiman Kaushan Shwai tu le member tana alawra to te nem nge na huna mangbok Trumpui Veng Thari Trumpui Kaushan atangin kumsang he sompria January ni somthum pakhat khan Preaching Point atam puan alawni to a tichuan February sang ni sompria ta tangkhan Evangelist H Malsom thanga home missionary chuan rawngbawlna chaktakina kalpuya kaushan adin theina turatan hian bial chung mi puite po tanna satakin an la a mithar po enge mozat senglu anni to ani tuna hian kaushan member somria chuanga no meka church board shwai tu te chairman upa si thang boya secretary upa silal manpuya treasurer Tual upa H Sila Sangluaya member Tual upa Si Vanaliana Tual upa R Lalchuan Oma Aizol East District Noya Pathian Tuzirna 1S Theological Seminary OTS chuan final exam Juni somni pruk ni lai ni atang khan an nei tana July ni thum ni lai ni hian an zawang OTS hi CBC in affiliate ani angin final exam question hi CBC atanga local ni in exam in both saina atan hian class test te po an lo nei to thin ani kumina hian zirlai pasari zirin tarlan to angin Reverend Rosanga Colony Reverend Biak Sang Zwala Reverend Vanel Filaram Tiam Reverend K Satin Vela Reverend R Laltan Kima Reverend P Chungale Evangelist C Laltan Puyaten zirtirna an pechina kumina hian OTS a first year som second year som baka third year paruk ommekin rohman na ang chuan July ni sari pathiani chunhu hian graduation day man ani ang July ni nga zirtop ni hian Aizol East District Committee room a District PYD kumchan ve board nei ani don hehuni Reverend R Laltan Kiba President chuan kai shwain biala changle official atanga agenda lutte an ngai to ang District PYD board nei tura hian board member de chukim takakal vek turin District PYD shwai tu ten an chiatir ani Aizol East District Missions Department ten kumin July le August thachunga mun shangshanga rongbol tura alak home missionary le anom na mun turte unaw nu sangkhumi Bible woman Kholian bial dai dawle tlangnuam Evangelist H Larin Fela Khobung bial leisenzo Evangelist H Lalbiak Zava Serti Bial Munzo le Lungpau Evangelist F Zirliana Kohai Bial Sial Hogle Biate Evangelist H Malsom Thanga Trumpui Bial Trumpui Veng Thar Evangelist TC Kabza Thanga na lan bial twal cheng Evangelist Vanel Rosiama North Vanlai Phai bial lungchuan Evangelist Vanel Kha ka khozol bial twal te Evangelist Thang Nei Changa Zemabok bial bung bangla Unaw paramdin moya champhai bethel bial zote Evangelist V Kam Nei Thanga rabung bial saijal Unaw pa arkelun sanga swang puilon bial lamher Unaw nulal thampari Bible woman kolkut bial dulte Evangelist laldu omsanga East lungdar bial Evangelist HK len mangaya keifang bial walung Aizol East District chung punshang shanga revival crusade nei chau mek zel ni in mithar enge mozat senglu to an ni a pathian choi moina po kaushana mi in Political tangin punshang shanga nei chau mek zel ani a kaushana hlimna na satak atheng chau mek zel ani Upper Republic Kaushanten Revival Crusade June ni som pakwa ni lai zana tang an man chu chunjom zel ni in roman na angchuan pathiani zan thleng an neyang He crusade a hian speaker Evangelist Arvan chunga district full-time evangelist chu man ni in ri ni hian kaushana mi thenhem ngai te mangin pathian choi moina nei ani a kaushanten hlim takin hun an mang ani Bazar bial amveng South Kaushana crusade nei po chunjom zel ni in pathian tharau thiang hlim ompuina hnuaya hlim takin an mang mek zela speaker Reverend H Vanel Chana an mang ani Juni somni paruk ni lai ni khan unaw nu lian thangpui di chung kokal tlangin pathian choi moina nei ani a Juni somni pakwa in ri ni hian upa pa zo na ti chung kokal tlangin choi moina hin nei ani bok Hengba ka hian kaushan mi in Political tlangin choi moina hin nei chunjom turin ro man na kalpui mek ani a Crusade kal zela Juni somni pathum pathian ni zan khan mi pathumin swangai damna baptisma an changthar bok ani Juni somni panhi in ri ni ve khan Bethlehem kaushana loi Senior upa khwang ching ati chung kwa chuan pathian choi moina an nei boka kaushan hoten hlim takin hun an mang ani Bethlehem kaushana hian revival crusade unaw nu mangai zwali Bible woman speaker mangin hun engemo chen atang khan an lo nei to a pathian choi moina po voi engemo zat nei to ni in kaushan mi puya har tharna athleng chho mek zel ani Juni somni pathum pathian ni khan thingsul khia bial se song veng thara mi thar pahni kaushana senglu an ni bok Juni riat pathian ni khan champhai bial North Khobung Kaushana upa zaulian thanga te chung kwa chuan pathian choi moina hi anneya speaker unaw pa H larin fela chu man ni in pathian mal somna hnuaya hlim takin hunan manga choi moina kal zela revival crusade chunjom ngal ni in kaushan danga changpo in chim tu engemozat anom thin ani crusade kal zela Juni som pasari atangani somni panni chung khan Unaw palarin fela speaker manghian camping nei ani boka mi pasari in tharau thiang hlim dong tharin siam tharle na changmi engemozat an om ani Juni somni panhi in rin ni khan mi som pathumin swangai damna baptisma changin Juni somni pathum pathiani zan khan bel to pastor Reverend VL niam tuanga chuan mi thar pali kaushana senglu na aneya revival crusade hi chunjom mek zel ani Trump we bial mon na venga po Juni som paruk ni lai ni zana changkhan revival crusade hi nei mek ani a roman na angchuan pathiani zan thleng nei ani ang He crusade hian speaker Evangelist K Vanel Dika district revival team te an mang ani Juni somni panhi inrini khan mall pui PYD le district headquarters PYD te chuan mall puya joint sports nein hlim takin hun an mang Chommadar somle achanvi a district PYD assistant secretary Evangelist Silarem Ratan Tongtai na nein bul antana items shangshang football volleyball relay race spoon race balloon race tug of war mangin in elna anbot saya nilenga hun mangin theological content important na thatak nen hlim takin hunan manga local pani atang hiam PYD member chanhem tak ankal khoma hetianga thalai important na tura program bot sai hi alok thak an ti in hunrem chang ma sambara joint fellowship nei le antum ani Serchi biak in pui PYD de chuan rahman na anlo siam to angin Juni somni pathum pathiani mangkhan lunglei district puk pui kaushan to in fe chwa program hlotling takin an mang he huna hian member engemozat kalin Juni somni pakhat zir top jana tangkhan program man ngalani a inrini jing kar khan puk pui kholai dung then fai na social work an mangbok ani Serchi biak in pui PYD ten fe chwa program an mana hian thu soi rawngbawlna PYD shwai tu ten ani nei chok china bel to pastor Bilal engzawa chuan telpuin pathiani zan khan thu soi rawngbawlna anei bok ani Aizawl East District Shwai to the program. Reverend Rosanga Colony District Superintendent Chuan Pathiani hian abial von mek mol pui bial chunga rawngbawlna aneyang. Reverend Arlian Zama Missions Director Chuan Pathiani manghian kholian bial chunga Home Missions Filter rawngbawl tu te tlopa in rawngbawlna aneyanga rangmanna ang chuan thawtan nia Aizawl alet le ang. Ole khatizong khatun chumatana North East India UPC Kaushal rawngbawlna chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thak ho le theite ni e.